You may not see it, but if you have inflammation, your body is already trying to tell you. Let me show you what inflammation can actually look like in the body and three natural ways to bring it down. When you floss your teeth and your gums bleed, that's inflammation. When you see skin conditions ending in itis, like dermatitis, that's inflammation too. You might even notice facial redness, rashes, or breakouts that linger longer than they should. Man, this is one reason facial hair sometimes hides underlying skin irritation. Other examples, like tendinitis, it equals inflammation of the tendons. Bronchitis, it equals inflammation of the lungs. Arthritis, inflammation of the joints. And colitis is inflammation in the colon. This is what I had for 7+ years, but now I'm in remission. But here's the thing. Inflammation isn't always bad. It's a defense mechanism. It's your body trying to heal and protect itself. But when there's no injury and inflammation is still hanging around, that's chronic. And chronic inflammation quietly drains your energy, disrupts your gut, and keeps you in pain. So, what can you do about it? Well, first, I want you to remove what's causing the fire. Start by cutting back or ideally eliminating processed foods and added sugar. You'll find endless anti-inflammatory food lists online. But here's the truth. If your diet is high in processed food and sugar, your body cannot escape the inflammation. These foods pour gasoline on the fire. Tip number 2, add polyphenols to fight back. Polyphenols are natural compounds found in real food, especially berries, vegetables, fruits, olive oil, and spices. They're not just anti-inflammatory, they're anti-cancer, anti-obesity, gut healing. One polyphenol in particular is collagen acid, and it has been shown to make a visible difference in skin health, even without changing the rest of your diet. That's how powerful the right foods can be. Tip number 3, fasting gives your body space to heal. When you fast, your body isn't distracted by digestion. It shifts into repair mode, detox mode, healing mode. And practically speaking, fasting gives you space from processed food and sugar, letting inflammation start to calm down on its own. If you or someone you love is dealing with inflammation, don't ignore the signs. There are simple, powerful ways to support the body naturally. You're not broken. You just need to remove the things that are hurting your body and start giving the things that help a try.